Google's not showing results anymore. It's giving answers. The question is your brand one of them? Welcome to the era of AI search. Traditional SEO? It's no longer enough. With AI overviews and tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity answering questions directly, users aren't clicking links, they're getting instant answers. That means your website could rank number 1 and still get zero traffic. This is where AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, steps in. It's not about keywords anymore. It's about being the answer. Your content needs to be clear, structured, and AI-friendly, so it gets picked up by these new engines. Brands that adapt will dominate. Those that don't? They'll disappear from the conversation. So ask yourself, is your brand ready for the AI search revolution? Because the future of visibility isn't on page 1, it's in the answer box. Want to make sure your content gets there? Let's make it happen together. DM now to get started.